Meet Bill. Bill is a computer lab manager at a well-known state university. He's good at his job, but wishes there was a better way to enforce security and improve performance in his lab. Now meet Susan. Susan is also a computer lab manager at a respected university with the same wishes as Bill. While Bill and Susan may have the same job and share similar career interests, Bill just happens to be a bit more dedicated than Susan. This dedication led Bill to an internet search where he found the answer he was looking for: VeraLab. Bill discovered that VeraLab's client-server application is one of the most powerful tools for access control, statistics, and report generation in a computer lab environment. More than that, VeraLab also allows Bill the convenience of live lab maps, a booking application for lab reservations, and employee time management. VeraLab transformed Bill's lab into an organized and seamless environment for faculty, staff, and students. Meanwhile, Susan, who has yet to discover VeraLab, still has to deal with unauthorized lab users, overbooked labs, and manually gathering information she needs. Don't be like Susan. Optimize and enhance your computer lab by downloading a free trial of VeraLab today.